Today I'm making stuffed chicken breast with spinach and feta cheese. Now first, you're going to carefully cut a pocket into each breast, not cutting all the way through so your filling stays in. Now I'm going to season the inside with some dash. It gives us a really good flavor all throughout the chicken. Now I'm ready to start filling my chicken with the spinach and cheese. I usually put the cheese in first, and then the spinach helps to hold it in. Let's get it down inside. All right, now I'm ready to add the spinach. It's going to be a little tricky, but just work it into the chicken. Now once it's nice and full, I use toothpicks to help close off the chicken so the filling does stay inside. Make sure you take the toothpicks out after you bake it. Now I'm going to spray my baking dish with some extra virgin olive oil. This helps prevent the chicken from sticking. Now I'm ready to season my chicken. First, I'm going to use some granulated garlic, some ground black pepper, some dry basil, and finally some Himalayan sea salt. Now I'm going to bake my chicken on 425 for 25 minutes or until an internal temperature of 165. Now, to prepare my Brussels sprouts, cut off a small slice off the end and then cut them in half. Now over a medium heat, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to my skillet. Then I'm going to add the Brussels sprouts and toss them in the oil to coat. Now I'm going to season my Brussels sprouts with granulated garlic, some ground black pepper, some Himalayan sea salt, and some Parmesan Romano cheese. Now give that a stir, and then I'm going to cover it and cook for about 7 to 8 minutes. Now for my rice, I'm going to add 1 cup of rice to 1 cup of boiling water. Give it a stir and cover, and reduce the heat and cook for 10 minutes. Now the Brussels sprouts are nice and brown and they're ready to go. Now the rice is done when all the water has been absorbed. And now I'm going to season my rice with dash, some ground black pepper, some granulated garlic, and finally some Himalayan sea salt. And give it a stir to mix all the ingredients. Now that everything is done, I'm going to add my chicken to the plate. And there's my stuffed chicken breast with spinach and feta cheese.